I'm sure our viewers right now are just as excited and anxious to see what you're going to do. So why don't we go ahead, and I'm going to step out of the way so that you can see them clearly. Go ahead, Chris, give it your best shot. Well, folks, it seems our professional former car thief wasn't quite up to task. What I'd like to do now is invite Chris back over, talk to him for just a few minutes and see what went wrong. Chris? I was impressed. You got in that car awfully fast. A Slim Jim, you got this beast off there in a matter of a heartbeat. But I noticed you went up under the dash a couple times. You were messing around up under there. It just didn't seem to quite work for you. Tell me, what do you feel went wrong?
I don't know. I tried everything and nothing works.
Nothing at all. So on average, you said in the beginning that car thieves can usually get in and out of the car within a minute, 2 minutes, whatever, and get the thing started and be off with your car.
Yeah, but I don't know. Something has to be in that car.
Okay. Well, thank you, Chris. We appreciate your valiant attempt. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start the car because I already know what it's equipped with. And then I'm going to show you how you can order this device.
Now, as you can see, if you try and use the system without the plug being plugged in, it does not start. Everything else works in the vehicle will not start. If you plug in the plug and try and start the vehicle, it'll turn right over and allow the vehicle to operate just as it was normal. Now, if you pull out the plug while the vehicle is running, the vehicle immediately dies. And that happens because the Revelco is not only a starter kill mechanism, but it interrupts multiple circuits within the engine compartment of the vehicle.